Alright, today we have a new Zippo for my collection. So it came in the regular Zippo black box, and it is labeled 1936 vintage, made in Bradford, PA. So here is the new one, and it is different or special because it is the high polish brass. I believe this is the only high polish or brass windy that I have in my collection, and this is engraving, nicely engraved with an end stamp or an end stamp on top, and that is the Windy Girl windproof Zippo lighters. And this was made in B or February of 2022. Good stampings, Bradford, PA, made in USA. And it is the high polish. I'm pretty sure that's the only one I have with a high polish or even brass. I have a few examples of the Windy Zippo here. I think I have about maybe a dozen. This one has the brass colored steel insert. Lights up really nice. Good sound. And that is the steel insert colored brass, and the body is brass, real brass. They can't use a brass insert because they tend to melt. So let's do a little drop test on this Windy Zippo. Two reasons I do a drop test. First, to show that they usually stay lit and they don't break easily. So let's do a lit drop test on this Windy windproof. That stayed lit. Try to keep it in camera. So there's the Windy brass, high polished brass Zippo, passes the drop test. It's a good one. And Zippos that are made in the USA in Bradford, PA, definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.